So in this tutorial I'll show how to replace the control point with a control line. So I've created this grid of modules where I have a point that I can adjust, turn on automatic updates. I can adjust, and the location of this point will affect the height of each of these boxes. And I'd like to replace this point with a curve, a spline, so that these boxes are affected by the spline. Now, each of these boxes, right-click, center graph, has some formula. And that formula, I'm going to double-click on one of these, is basically a constant divided by the distance between the location of that box and this control point. And that distance is based on this function distance. I mean, that it is the function distance, which it goes from body to body. So I can replace, it's not specifying point, it's not specific to point, so I can swap out a point with any other body. Again, a body being pretty much any geometrical element in CATIA, a point, a line, a surface, anything. So I'm going to hide the entire set of mega modules, hide the mega module set and the set of mega modules. I'm going to edit. I'm going to, in the control point geometry, I'm going to make a new, I'm going to make a curve, which will be my new control geometry. So I'm going to make a plane, making sure it's offset from plane. And it's yellow because I've made the geometrical set yellow for lines and points. And I'm going to create a couple points on this. Plane, so point on plane. And I'm going to create not a line, but a spline connecting these. So this could also be done in a sketch, and because I'm not making any power copies of this, you could do this in a sketch. Again, I would discourage the use of sketches in this class. So now I'd like to replace that point. I'm going to hide all these points. I'd like to replace this point with this curve. I'm going to unhide mega modules to watch the effect. And simple. Right click on the point, click replace. Replace with this curve, and OK. And everything updates. And I can adjust these input points. And this landscape will adjust. So that's it.